So now we are going to find the mean of not x. Previously, we've been just finding the mean of x or the expected value of x. But now we'll be finding mean of a function of x. And the same rule apply. So nu of gx means the expected value of gx. And remember, in a discrete situation, the expected value of x was the summation of x fx. So the expected value of gx would now be the summation of gx fx. So basically, expected value of any function equals the summation of that function against the probability function. So when instead of g of x, we just have plain x. So expected value of x is just summation of x fx. So in this case, it would be, so we can actually tabulate. So since we are going to multiply the values of gx against fx, so we can make a table. So we can do, so we will eventually need, so let's first write it as g of -3, f of -3, because the values of x are -3, 6, and 9, plus g of 6, f of 6, plus g of 9, f of 9. So g of -3 would be, okay, let's make the table for the g values. So x be -3, or we can do it here. G of -3 is equal to -9 plus 4 whole squared, right? Substituting -3 here, 3 times -3 is -9, and that is 25. Similarly, g of 6 would be 3 times 6 is 18 plus 4 whole squared, that's 484. And g of 9 would be 9 times 3 is 27 plus 4 is 31. Whole square is 961. So therefore, E of gx it's g -3 f -3. So 25 times 3/10, because f of -3 was 3/10, plus 484, g of 6, f of 6. G of 6 is 484, f of 6 is 3/5. And then plus 961 times f of 9. Okay. So let's see what this is. 75 plus 44 into 0.6 plus 96.1. So that's 394. So the same thing here. Previously, we found the expected value of this. Now we're going to find expected value of x squared instead of expected value of x. So the same idea that we just discussed. So E of x squared right? This expected value of x squared. So E of x squared would be summation of x squared fx. Okay, And now the x values are, let's make a table this time. X is 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll need an x squared. So or first we can do f of x. So f of 0, you substitute x equals 0 here, you get 3 combination 0, 1/7 power 0, and 6/7 power 3. So that would be 216 over 343. Similarly, f of 1, will be 3c1, 1/7 power 1, 6/7 square. So that'd be 3 times 3608 over 343. Okay, with x equals 2, 3c2, 1/7 square, 6/7 power 1. So 6 over, so that'd be 18. Not 348, but 343. So 18 over 343. And then for x equals 3, 3c3, 1/7 power 3, 6/7 power 0. So 1/7 power 3 is 1 over 343. And then we also need x squares. So you just square the values of x's. So 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, and 3 squared is 9. And then we can make a column for x squared times fx. This would be 0. And 1 times 108 over 343 is 108 over 343. And then 4 times 18 over 343, so this is how they're being multiplied. 4 times 18 over 343 is 72 over 343. And then the last one is 9 over 343. And we need the summation of x squared fx. So summation means you sum all these values. So 0 plus 108, they have common denominator. So just writing it like this. And that comes out to be 189 over 343. And 189 goes by 7. So 7, 2 times is 14, so 727 times, and 749 times. So 27 by 49.